Right now, your website is actually still private. And so if someone else who isn't logged on to your WordPress tries to view your website, then they're going to end up with a page that looks something like this. And the reason why I'm getting this right now is because I opened up a new private window so that I can see what the website looks like to a visitor who's not logged in. You can also do this by opening up your website or trying to open up your website in a completely different browser. So to publish your website, it's very easy. When your website isn't published, you'll see this. Your site is currently displaying a coming soon page. Once you are ready to launch your site, click here. This announcement is at the top of pretty much every page when you log on or go to any of these menu items. So just click there and your site will become live. Now, if I open up a new private window, I go to ebenerdesigns.com. Now your website is live for the public to see. You don't really have to worry about anyone stumbling across your website unless they're actually typing in the URL directly and visiting it. Or if for some reason you do have a lot of blog content or content on your pages that does somehow get picked up by Google or other search engines, but we haven't even indexed our site for search engines yet, which we'll be doing with a plugin. So if you want, you can go ahead and make your website published. Or if you don't, you can keep it private until you've edited it and put it all together. So now that our website's public, we can go about and start editing it more. And in the next lessons, we'll be learning about adding more blog articles.